Akwaboah and now ya na mbeka kire mo say yenim se Ghana had their Vows Day the eba ni show a Akwaboah na ye king of love Vows Day no wono ne artist a yenyina yenim se wodi dwumadi e fe ni Shades of Love by 3 years ago ye wo hwa na chese Kwabena Kwabena chimiti na beka so de ne ho kan no na yes omo yes omo so be show same day am say oh nyenya Kwabena ba pa nyenya nka de na nka aba wunua ye show we national so be the same ade bi eye minya na meje ho ma anti ase na me ko nyame anim na Akwaboah so de ne nchiremu ye den ba todofo ka kumyaje ne kwaku enu we Kwabena kwaje Kwabena enu mbra wate
Kwabena in here this week.
Oh, okay.
I had Kwabena in here this week, and we had, a wonderful conversation.
Okay.
He too also talked about love, and 14th he's performing. But then there were issues online last year with respect to Kwabena Kwabena's date and also venue as well.
Okay.
And were you caught off guard when he announced it?
Yeah, I was kind of surprised though.
Okay.
Because a week to that time, I know it's always on the 12th of February.
Okay.
And so what we do is on the 12th, I perform for him.
Okay.
And on the 14th, he comes on my show.
Okay.
And I think 4 or 5 days before time, the team actually called me for a performance for him. And I was like, yeah, I'll come. Then all of a sudden, I see him post 14th. And I'm like, Charlie, what's up?
How far?
Yeah, but I was kind of surprised though. It's cool.
You think I'm cool?
Yeah, I feel it's a big world for all of us.
This is Hits.
Yeah, I had Kwabena in here this week.
Oh, okay.
I had Kwabena in here this week, and we had, a wonderful conversation.
And this is Adom TV.